Hello, my name is JP Pascoli. I'm the Director of Asset Management and Reliability for Cameco Corporation, a mining and mineral processing company based out of Saskatoon. I have over 30 years of maintenance, reliability, and asset management experience, and I'm a mechanical engineer by schooling. Yes, just last year I ended a 10-year tenure with the board. I was a member at large in the beginning and then eventually made it to the executive team and served as a rotating chair and then vice president. And my last 3 years, I had the pleasure of serving as president before stepping down. In those 10 years, I did a few other things as well. I participated in a few main train committees. And to this day, I'm still the representative to the Global Forum on Maintenance and Asset Management for PEMAC. So I continue to serve in that capacity. That summarizes what the last 10 plus years has been in terms of serving PEMAC. Volunteering is a great way to meet people of like minds. You can share stories. You have people that have fought the same battles as you, or dealing with the same issues, and at the same time also have solutions to help you. So, that certainly exists within our organization. But being able to be part of this type of an association where you have multiple industries involved, public and private sector, it's a great learning opportunity, both from a professional standpoint, but also a great way to meet people, build connections, relationships, get to know other companies that form, the fabric of Canada in terms of industry and government, and that's pretty rewarding to do. I'd say jump right in. You've got nothing to lose. There is a large number of opportunities available to volunteer. There's not a huge demand on the volunteers. It's something that, if it doesn't suit you, you can walk away. Although we do, seek commitment of people, but the bonds that are built through volunteering and through a great organization like PEMAC are really things that you carry with yourself for a long time. And I know I can call on a lot of people and across Canada through my experience with PEMAC, and so tremendously valuable, again, whether it's personally or professionally. Otherwise, it's really a low risk proposition to potentially get a lot of gain out of.